Home canning. Preserving your favorite foods at home. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and practical topic, home canning. This process is not just about storing food. It's about preserving flavors, creating homemade delights, and understanding an essential skill. Let's dive into the world of home canning and discover how you can do it yourself. Home canning is the method of preserving food by processing and sealing it in airtight containers. This technique is used to extend the shelf life of foods like fruits, vegetables, and even meats. The canning process involves heating the food to a temperature that destroys microorganisms and enzymes that could spoil the food. Once sealed, the food remains safe and retains its taste and nutritional value for months or even years. Canning as a method of preservation dates back to the early 19th century. It was first developed as a way to supply food for soldiers and sailors during long voyages. The technique quickly became popular for home use, allowing people to store seasonal produce. Understanding this history helps us appreciate home canning as a bridge between past and present culinary practices. Before you start, you need some basic equipment: canning jars, lids, a canner or large pot, and a jar lifter. There are two main methods of canning: water bath canning and pressure canning. Water bath canning is suitable for high-acid foods like fruits, while pressure canning is used for low-acid foods like vegetables and meats. Safety is paramount in home canning. Always follow proper sterilization procedures for your equipment and use tested recipes. Be aware of the risks of botulism, a rare but serious illness caused by improperly canned food. By following guidelines, you can ensure your home canned goods are both delicious and safe. Home canning isn't just about preservation. It's a way to get creative in the kitchen. Think of making your jams, pickles, or even your pasta sauce. Each jar can be a reflection of your culinary creativity and a testament to your skills. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of home canning. It's a skill that combines history, science, and culinary artistry. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced canner, there's always something new to learn and create. Happy canning, and we look forward to seeing what you'll preserve next.